Hello and welcome Primary 5 students. This is Miss Walaa Samir and we will talk together about the events of our story for this term, the first term, which is entitled Amir and His Lizard. Let's start. Here are some important words that are in the picture dictionary. The first word is dangerous, dangerous. Gecko, gecko. Lizard, lizard. Reptiles, reptiles. Rock, rock. Hamster, hamster. Let's start our story events. Amir, Maryam, Mom and Dad are having lunch together. Mom cooked Amir's favorite dish, ملوخية and chicken. But Amir isn't happy. What's the matter, Amir? Don't you like your lunch? Asked Mom. The food is delicious. Thanks, Mom, replied Amir. He sounded sad. What's the matter, Amir? Asked Dad. Don't you feel well? I'm fine, Dad, but I didn't have a very happy day at school, replied Amir. Oh no, you usually love school. What happened? We showed our favorite pet posters today, explained Amir. But your poster was amazing, said Maryam. Why are you sad? Well, everyone else's poster showed cats, rabbits, hamsters, or fish. You know, pets everyone has. And my poster was about Lizzie, my lizard. When I showed my poster, everyone laughed. They said, what a strange pet. And Yusuf said, Lizzie is ugly, said Amir, almost in tears. Listen, said Dad kindly. People sometimes say things like that when they don't know enough information. The best you can do is to explain why Lizzie is such a good pet. Learn more about reptiles and explain why they are amazing, not ugly. That's a good idea, Dad. I'll do that. Amir felt happier and started to enjoy his ملوخية. Later that evening, Amir looked online. He found a reptile club nearby. He sent an email to ask if he could visit. He was very excited when he got an email saying, Yes, you're very welcome to visit us. A few days later, Dad drove Amir and Maryam to the reptile club. There, they met Hani, a reptile expert. He welcomed them and explained that he's a type of scientist called a herpetologist. Like you, Amir, I was interested in reptiles, and now it's my job. Amir smiled. Oh, I didn't know that someone who works with reptiles is called a herpetologist. What a cool job, he said. Hani showed Amir and Maryam lots of different reptiles, snakes, lizards, geckos, and tortoises. It's important to look after them well, isn't it? Asked Maryam. I like the tortoises. Do they live a long time? Yes, replied Hani. And be careful. You should read and learn about them. All reptiles are an important part of the food chain too. Tortoises can live to be 100 years old. Can you come with me on a field trip tomorrow? Amir and Maryam looked at Dad. Of course, Dad was excited too. Early the next morning, Dad, Maryam, and Amir met Hani at the club. It's important to have the right tools, Hani explained. I love reptiles, but I know some can be dangerous. But you're safe with me. Ready? Let's go. Soon, Hani, Dad, Maryam and Amir left for a very special desert, which was not far from Cairo. When they arrived, they spent some time looking around. Hani showed them the best places to look. Suddenly, Amir found a gecko on a rock. Look, he said, what an amazing blue color. I thought all geckos were brown. No, they can be different colors. Some of them can even change color, said Hani. Amir was very happy. 2 weeks later, Amir was at school. Mr. Bassam had something important to say. A special guest is here to give a talk. Amir loved the talks. They were always interesting. Who is it? He wondered. It was a big surprise when Hani walked in. He talked to the boys about his job and protecting the environment. He brought some reptiles for the boys to hold. Of course, he chose Amir to be his helper. All the boys, even Yusuf, thought it was really cool. After the lesson, Yusuf spoke to Amir. I'm sorry, Amir, he said. Lizzie isn't ugly. I really enjoyed Hani's talk. And now I think reptiles are amazing. That's okay, said Amir. Oh, I know. Why don't you come to my house? You can see Lizzie. You can feed it too. Awesome. Yes, please, replied Yusuf. Thank you, Amir. The two boys were friends again. And we came to the end of the events of this story. Let's move into the questions section. Read and write true or false. 1. Amir doesn't like mom's ملوخية. False. 2. Amir's poster is about his pet lizard. True. Amir sends a letter to the reptile club. False. 4. Hani is a geologist. False. 5. Hani says that all reptiles are dangerous. False. 6. Maryam finds a blue gecko on a rock. False. 7. Hani gives a talk at Amir's school. True. 8. Amir invites Yusuf to feed Lizzie. True. Read and match. 1. Mr. Bassam is Amir's teacher. 2. Hani is a herpetologist. 3. Yusuf called Amir's lizard ugly. 4. Amir found a reptile club online. 5. Hani invited Amir and Maryam on a field trip. Hani chose Amir to be his helper. Read and complete. At dinner, Amir wasn't very happy. 2. Maryam thought that Amir's poster was amazing. 3. Some of Amir's classmates thought his pet was strange. 4. Hani reminded Amir to be careful because some reptiles are dangerous. 5. Mr. Bassam introduced Hani as a special guest. Let's answer the questions. 1. Was Yusuf wrong to call Lizzie ugly? And why? Yes, he was. Because reptiles are amazing creatures. 2. Why did Amir want to visit the reptile club? To know more information about reptiles. 3. What does Yusuf think of Lizzie by the end of the story? He thinks that reptiles are amazing. 4. Do you think Amir can be a good herpetologist? And why? Yes, I do. Because he searches for information about the thing that he loves, which is the reptiles, and he goes on field trips, and he goes to the reptiles club to learn more about them. So he loves reptiles and he studies and knows more about them